Hello, today we have a great topic, hand numbness. Yes, that's a good one. Stay tuned. We're back. We are at Baja Beach. Yes. And today we're going to talk about numbness in our hands, or sometimes it hurts, and how Ergongrip can help you. So let me show you one thing. That's our hand, and there's two nerves, one here and another one here. Yes. So when you press them for such a long time or stretch them for a long time, they start not to getting the needed blood to your hands. So if you stress this one, it's the middle one, these three fingers start to get numb. If you stay on top of this one, side one, those two fingers start to get numb. Isn't that cool? So I'm gonna show you there are a lot of ways to hold your bicycle, and if you don't make a very good bike fit, you're gonna start holding like this and putting all your weight in your hand, and that would stretch this nerve here, and it's gonna start to get numb. And when you get numb, what happens is that you lose control because you lose sensitivity. So it's no good. People are happy here. Well, I receive a lot of questions about my Ergongrip. Yes, that was one of the first things I done, upgrade, and it's fantastic because you have this part here to put your hands, you have this part to support this part of the hand, and also a little horn, a small one, so you can hold it like this, like this, like this, like this, this. So you can keep changing. You can change the grip on your bicycle. So for this reason, you don't stand in the same nerve. You have to change nerves, because if you stay in the same nerve, pressing it, you're gonna get numb and it hurts, and it's unsafe because you don't have, when our hands are numb, you don't have the touch, you don't have the feeling, you don't have anything. Well, there are 3 upgrades that I really recommend: the grips, the EasyWheel, and a kickstand. Yes, I like the kickstand. It helps me a lot. And for safety, the grips are fundamental. Do you remember Nina? Yes, my friend from Curitiba. She just upgraded her grips, and she said that it's marvelous. She feels much safer, and you can ride longer because you don't have, your hands doesn't get numbness because you can move, different places. So I do recommend it. If you like this really short video, just to recommend the Ergongrip, or any grip that give you different ways to hold on, so you can move around. It doesn't stretch neither this or this nerve. Okay, it's very important. Safety is very important. If you did like the video, thumbs up. If you want to see videos, more videos like this with this beautiful beach. That's Baja Beach. It's 8:30 in the morning. I rode with my road bike friends and came here to do this video for you. Please sign in, and yes, the little bell. Thank you. Bye bye.